Hi, this is Andy Sykes with Sykes Elder Law in Pittsburgh, and this video covers basic estate planning documents. So here are some of the main documents for estate planning, and the one that most people have heard about is a last will and testament, or will for short. And a will is a document that does a few things like appoints an executor to carry out the terms of your will after you're gone. It also leaves instructions for who's to receive what from your assets. It usually has a tax clause that says how taxes are going to be paid. It might create a trust if a trust would be appropriate for you. So there are many other things that a will can do, but those are some of the basic things. Another important estate planning document is a power of attorney. So that document appoints an agent to act for you if you can't make your own decisions. So if you need someone to make financial decisions for you, when you can't because you've been in an accident or you've developed dementia, something like that, power of attorney is a really important document to have these days. Another one is a healthcare directive. So that might do a couple of things like appoint an agent to make healthcare decisions for you if you can't, or it might contain a living will that would give instructions if you're in some kind of an end-stage medical condition like a persistent vegetative state. You're not going to get any better, and it's going to leave instructions about whether you want life support at that point. Another important document is a trust, and we have another video just on trust, but in brief, a trust is a document that provides a rule book for saying what's going to be in my trust, what are the assets, who's going to be the trustee, how's the trust going to operate, who are going to be the beneficiaries, all this sort of thing. So a trust is often an alternative to a will, but it can be used during your lifetime for other purposes, such as asset protection or avoiding probate when you die. So those are some of the main estate planning documents. Now, which one you need and how they're going to work depends on a lot of things, such as what your goals are, what assets you have, your age, your health, who your beneficiaries are, and how old they are, what kind of health they're in, any particular needs that they might have. So all these things are important factors to look at. Now, the best estate plans are ones that are really tailored to fit your needs rather than being standard or cookie cutter. So a really good way to develop the basic estate planning documents that you need is to talk to an experienced estate planning or elder law attorney who can guide you through the process and come up with documents that are really going to work well for you. So those are the main estate planning documents that you need to know about. If you want to learn more, we have other videos on estate planning. We have a blog, and if you're in the Pittsburgh area, you're invited to come to one of our free estate planning workshops where we'll spend a couple hours talking in more details about estate planning in general. Just go to our website and you can learn how to register. Thanks for watching.